In this video, we'll learn how to calculate averages from frequency tables. Frequency tables are a way of organizing and summarizing data. They show the frequency, or number of times, each value occurs in a dataset. The first step in calculating an average from a frequency table is to understand the table itself. Make sure you know what the variable is, what the classes are, and what the frequencies are. There are several reasons why we might want to calculate averages from frequency tables. Averages can help us to understand the central tendency of a dataset, compare different datasets, make predictions about future outcomes. The variable is the characteristic that we are measuring. The classes are the different categories that the data is divided into. And the frequencies are the number of times each class occurs. Once you understand the frequency table, you can identify the frequencies. In this example, we have to determine the mean, median, mode, and range of the ungrouped frequency table. The mode for this frequency chart is 1 because it has the highest frequency of 8. The range is 5 because the highest number of badges, 5 minus the smallest number of badges, 0 equals 5. The median is the 13th number in this set, which is 2. To find the mean, you multiply the number of badges times the frequency. You add all of the products to have a sum of 60. The total of the frequency is 25. 60 divided by 25 is 2.4 badges. To calculate an estimate for the mean from a grouped frequency table, set up a new column to write the midpoint of each class. Set up another column to multiply each midpoint by its frequency. Find the sum of the multiplications. This finds the estimated total of all the values in the frequency table. Add the frequencies to find how many values there are. Divide the total of all the values by how many values there are. To find the class that contains the median, identify the class that contains the middle value. For a set of data with n values, the middle value is the n plus 12th value. To find the modal class, identify the class with the highest frequency. And that's how to calculate averages from frequency tables. Thanks for watching Quirky Maths.